Here's a 1970 Chevelle SS Tribute. 350 V8 underneath the cowl induction hood, you see. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Power steering car. Let's take a look at the front chrome. The grille, headlight surrounds, looking sharp up front. Has had a repaint to this kind of deep blue metallic, white deck stripes. If you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, you'll be able to see them online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website where you can check them out. You can call us also 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on the rally style wheels, beauty rings, center caps. Great look on these cars. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see blue paint shows well. Black vinyl interior. In the still pictures, I did roll up the side glass, so the side windows are up in the still pictures. You can see that they are tinted. So I just want to give you the heads up. Know your local and state laws as far as the darkness, the percentage of the tint that you can have legally. Aftermarket stereo system, that is working. Seat belts intact, as you can see also. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. Coming around to the rear of the car, see the rear chrome bumper, dual exhaust. We're going to fire it up here at the end of the video, let you hear it run. We'll take a look at the engine bay too. You're going to find that it has Edelbrock intake and carburetor on it. 4-barrel to be exact. Headers. Newer exhaust if you take a look at the underside pics. And you can see those again. uniqueclassiccars.com. Very close to 100 pictures of this car online. Like I said, you'll see the underside trunk, interior, engine bay as we take a look down the driver's side. Again, you can see paint shows well. All right, a little closer look at the interior. So, seat belts intact in the rear also. No rips, tears, holes. The vinyl on the rear seat, front bench. Shifter on the column. Of course, the SS badging on the door panels and steering wheel. That SS Tribute look. Have had the wipers working. Also had the stereo working. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. There's a Pioneer aftermarket stereo, and let's see what is on. Find a station that'll come in here quick. It's working stereo. There's that cowl induction hood also working. Top of the dash looks good. Up the headliner also looking good. Door closes nicely, and listen to this. This one will turn some heads with the way it looks and the way it sounds. We slip up to the front and take these hood pins out. Get this hood open, we'll check out that engine bay. There you can see the underside of the cowl induction hood. That is functioning. There it is. 350 small block Chev. Good power plant. Alright, little chrome dress up with valve covers, air cleaner cover. Again, power steering. Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock 4-barrel. There's the battery disconnect over here in case you want to disconnect the battery in between drives or during storage. HEI ignition. And remember, paired up with a automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350. Stick around a little bit longer. We're going to take this car for a drive. You have a little idea what it's like to go down the road in this car. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Tribute. Good looking through to a hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a nice blue with white stripes 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle, also with cowl induction hood. And our turn signal indicators are working. This is an automatic on the column. You can see that cowl induction open up when you give her throttle. Good acceleration in this car. Fuel gauge is working, showing a quarter. Speedometer may be reading a little fast. It is working. Factory clock is counting the minutes currently. Blower motor works, wipers work. Pioneer radio in the dash. Also working. Letting go of the wheel. This car stays pretty straight in the lane. Maybe a slight drift to the right over time. Brakes are working well. Really good rumble to this car. Even at idle, there's a nice rumble to that exhaust. Very nice acceleration. Black vinyl bench seats in this car, very comfortable. Very easy to drive. Take a look at all the pictures and read about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.